What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna do my first unboxing video, and this is gonna be Rubik's Cube unboxing. So here's a box of Rubik's Cubes, and this Pyramix came separate. So I'm gonna start with, let's say, the Pyramix. So let's just get this thing open. Let's get that other box over here. Might need to get the scissors in here. Okay, so, sorry, this desk area is really shaky. So, I'm gonna need the box. Okay, so, this is the Pyramix. It's really nice. I like how it's like sharpish. Let's see. I've never tried this is my first Pyramix actually, so I'm gonna try to unscramble this and try to solve it. Okay, so it's all scrambled, and now I'm gonna try to solve it. So sorry, I can't get this on camera that easy. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to solve this, but I'll come back to you once I figure out how to. Or we might have to do this in a different video. Okay, so now let's go to let's open this mystery white box. Box is so big. You get our scissors. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I got the thing open. So, there's actually another Pyramix that came in it, so I'm gonna get that open off camera. I'm gonna open the boxes off camera, but I'll come back to. Okay, so I got the Pyramix open. There's a speed sticker. There's a stickerless one, and it's a really fast returning one. Good quality. Definitely recommend it. I'm not gonna scramble this one up like I just did. So, this is one of the best Primax I have, mainly because it's one of the only ones. And I definitely think you should guys get it. It's only like $17, all of the stuff combined. Really fast turning. Sorry, I don't know how to solve it yet. So I'll just leave that over here. I think we should get out the 2x2. This is the smallest 2x2 I've ever seen. Okay, so this one I might be able to do on camera, but it's in the box so tight. I might have to destroy the box here. Okay, I got it open. And here's the cube. It's actually a really nice one. Let's see how good it can do. Okay, let's see how nice it can turn. Oh. Okay, so it can't do that big corner cuts, but it's a really nice turning one. It doesn't have any magnets though, which I'm kind of disappointed about. But still, it's a really nice cube. Again, I really recommend you get this stuff. So try it out for yourself. You see, so as you can see, there's screws in there. And you can assemble it, but it's kind of hard. I don't think this came with a screwdriver either. I'm not gonna like break any of these. So, okay, this one I can scramble since I know how to solve it. Okay, I got it scrambled. Now I can solve it. I'm so sorry that I can't solve it. That good on camera. So I'll try to find a better place to solve this, but right now I'm gonna try to do the best I can. Okay. I'll come back to you guys once I solve it. So now it's time to unbox the 3x3. This one was really easy to open. Instruction manual. Instructions on how to solve it. We don't need those. I know how to solve it. Okay. This is so hard to get out. Okay. So, again, one of the smallest 3x3s I've seen. Oh, and this one turns much better than the 2x2. Okay. So, yeah, I also recommend getting this one. It's one of the best. All you have to do is just look on Amazon and you can find this. So I'm going to scramble it. faster this time. Okay, so it's kind of... Okay, camera's shaking. So... I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so... This is a pretty good cube, turns really good. Okay, so... Gonna solve it. Sorry if you hear other random noises. It's just my parents. I can't solve it nearly the fastest, but I do know how to solve it. So, really nice cube. I know I keep saying that, but that's because it's the best cube I've ever owned. Okay, so while we're waiting for the other cubes to get solved, let's take a look at one of the more unorthodox cubes. So, it's not necessarily a cube. I don't really know how to turn it at all. How do I turn this? Okay, if you know how to solve this, if you know how to turn this, let me know in the comments. Oh! Okay, now I know how to turn it. You know that like board game or it's like a mind puzzle game that you have to turn the cubes on the board to make a picture? Kind of like that, but in a circle. Okay, so I'm gonna try to solve these now. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so as I was saying, I got the 2x2 solved. Sorry I can't solve these on camera, it's just so hard and difficult. It's time for, and now I'm gonna solve the 3x3. Okay, so now I got the 3x3 solved. Now I'm gonna try to get that circle domish thing solved. Okay, so this domish one was kind of easier to solve than all the others. Now time for the hardest one of this whole thing, the Pyramix. Okay, so I solved the Pyramix, and I think that's all we have time for today. Like and subscribe, and have the best day ever. Enjoy!